Hey, join me on a walkthrough of prioritizing security concerns and implementing security policies in Microsoft Azure. It's a journey through cloud complexity and control, with Azure as our trusted ally. Let's keep it light and insightful as we delve into the strategies that'll keep your digital castle secure. To prioritize issues, understanding the architecture of your Azure environment is vital. Look for areas where data is processed or stored, identifying critical assets and workflows that require protection first. Remember, the goal is risk mitigation, focusing on what can go wrong and what's at stake. You'll find Azure Security Center to be a key player in this process. It's your intelligence agency, sniffing out vulnerabilities and threats with recommendations on where to bolster your defenses. Prioritizing based on these insights ensures a structured attack surface management, aligning security with business impact and asset value. Now, security policies are your shields in the form of Azure policy and compliance checks. These tools empower you to enforce and automate controls across resources and tenants. Policies act as guardrails for your cloud infrastructure, defining and enforcing rules for resource compliance. Think of it as setting the game plan before stepping into battle. It's like setting up dominoes. The right sequence determines the outcome when you want them to fall in a safe, controlled manner. When you define your cloud security policy, you create a blueprint guided by the CIS benchmarks and Azure's compliance requirements, ensuring your estate mirrors industry best practices. To bring it back to human elements, prioritize based on user activities and risk profiles. Human error or misuse can lead to vulnerabilities, so you want to focus on areas with access to sensitive data or powerful permissions. It's about understanding the who in risk, the people who have the keys to your fortress. Now, let's weave it together into a tapestry of control. Using Azure Key Vault, manage secrets and keys securely to avoid exposure. This extends into your networking, securing perimeters, and connections with Azure Firewall and virtual network policies to create your fortress walls. For identity, Azure Active Directory shines as your central hub, granting access through least privilege access control. Access reviews periodically, ensuring only who should have access should indeed have access and revoking it as soon as it's no longer needed. Moving to risk, utilize Azure Monitor and Log Analytics to stay on top of traffic patterns and anomalies that could indicate a breach. Set up alerts to notify your watchful eyes on any suspicious activity, empowering swift action to mitigate risks. Think like a spy, and you'll understand the need to encrypt in transit and at rest. Services like Azure SQL Database and Key Vault ensure data travels in armored convoys with unbreakable encryptions. But we are not done yet. Continuous improvement is the name of the game, adopting a DevSecOps approach where security controls are ingrained in your deployment pipeline, ensuring they are never an afterthought. The importance here is on balance, risk, cost, and business value, so prioritize with a discerning eye for what truly makes or breaks your operations. A well-placed firewall policy here, a stricter network access policy there, all fine-tuned to reduce surface area for threats while keeping costs in check. Security isn't static, it's a moat with water slides. As technology advances, threats evolve, so must your defenses. Automation tools like Azure Policy Inventory and Azure Policy Playbook keep tabs on your security posture, ensuring updates march in sync with emerging threats and compliance shifts, almost like an army that learns and adapts in real time. Remember, no castle was ever built without a blueprint and watchful eye. For a detailed strategy and regular updates on prioritizing issues and applying security controls in Azure, drop by Neeraj's blog. Follow his thoughts at neeraj.qzz.io. His wisdom is treasure for any senior cloud architect or IT professional. Till then, stay secure and keep exploring the cloud with the vigilance of a seasoned knight. Don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for more insights and tech wisdom. Catch you on the secure cloud roads. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab.